In this video, we are going to be touring the Magnolia floor plan here at Verona community by Taylor Morrison in Lake Las Vegas. Now, this is the most affordable new construction community in Lake Las Vegas, so stay tuned, guys. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move, buy, or sell here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, so today is March 7, 2025, and today we are here at Verona by Taylor Morrison here in Lake Las Vegas. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with Lake Las Vegas is about 30 to 35 minutes east of Las Vegas Airport and the Strip. Beautiful master plan community. It's like your own personal oasis away from Las Vegas. They do have a clubhouse out here. They do have like golf. There's plenty of walking trails and more amenities that I can't think of at this very moment, okay? With this community, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer about, let me see here. So they offer 5 different floor plans here, okay? All of these homes are gonna be 2-story homes ranging between 2,200 square feet all the way up to 23 square feet, okay? Now, I'll also have the base prices on the screen for you as well. But just so you know, whenever you look at the base price, just know that the lot premiums and upgrades are not included, okay? So if you want to calculate your total, you'd have to add the lot premiums and upgrades. Just on average, right? Lot premiums are going for about $0 to $30,000. Upgrades, well, based on the specs, they're putting anywhere between about like $60,000 to $90,000 in upgrades, okay? Now, as far as what they're doing here in this community, you do have the option as a buyer. If you want to build from ground up, you can definitely do that as well, okay? So that means you could pick out your elevation, all your options, and you go through that process, which is typically about 5 to like 7 months. Or you could go with a quick move-in or a spec home. Typically, you're gonna get the best deal with these ones. That just means the builder picked out all the options and they're either ready in a few months or they're ready right now. If they're ready right now, more wiggle room, guys. The HOA, so it's $153 a month. That's for the Lake Las Vegas HOA. That's for the master plan community. Now, for the Verona specific HOA, it's about $109 a month, okay? Average lots are gonna be between 4,000 and 6,000. Okay, so some of the lots here kind of differ, okay? That's about it. So let's get started with the tour. Welcome everyone to the Magnolia floor plan. Now, the Magnolia floor plan is 2,468 square feet, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 baths, 2-story, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is $504,900, okay? If you are building from dirt up, you can choose between 3 different elevations and your base price will it could change depending on the elevation that you choose. Now remember, the elevation is just how the exterior looks, okay? So sometimes you might have like the brick exterior, which is usually more. And then, yeah, without it, it's gonna be a little bit less. But they do have, some move-in ready homes as well for this floor plan. And as of today, they are going for about $570 to $580, and that's move-in ready. That includes all the upgrades and the lot premiums. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look. Right, so you have this nice 8-foot door. Right, so welcome to the Magnolia floor plan. Welcome in. I like that it's, as soon as you walk in, it's very open. You got the stairs, the fully upgraded railing as well. Okay, cool. Here, so I'll show you this. This is actually a diagram of the house. So there's some structural upgrades they did. For example, they turned this office space into a 5th bedroom. They also added the covered patio to this model. And then this also is going to have the balcony, all which are optional. Okay. And then in case you're wondering what the upgrades are in this model house, you could definitely pause the screen here and just take a look. Okay, so welcome in. Right when you get here, you'll notice that it's very open layout. Again, 9-foot ceilings. Now the flooring is completely upgraded. So just in case you're wondering what standard flooring looks like, standard flooring, if you didn't want to put any money to the flooring, if you built from ground up, you're going to have carpet all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. You're going to have an 18 by 18 ceramic tile, which is going to be wet areas, kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, entryway. Okay. So yeah, you're going to have your bedroom right over there. Okay, so really nice kitchen. You also have your upgraded slider right here. Okay, so the backyard depths are going to range between house to house. I've seen some spec homes. They have like 25 feet deep backyards, while others have 40 feet deep backyards. Okay. Now just remember, guys, once you buy a new construction home, your backyard is going to be you're going to have like a dirt lot right here, and the HOA will typically give you about it just depends on the community, about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. If you don't do it in that time, you know, they may send you something in the mail saying that if you don't do it, you know, they could I don't know, fine you probably. Okay, so we got the gate right over here on this side. Check this out. Okay, cool. We got your 2 condensers right there. So yeah, we got the beautiful white cabinets. Okay, optional backsplash there. So again, most of what you're seeing is, you know, like upgraded. You guys, anywhere between like the sink, the nice matte black faucet right there. Now, as far as the appliances go, the refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included, but you will get the GE stove, oven, the microwave, and the dishwasher. Okay, so the dishwasher's right there. As you can see right here, so this microwave has the vent. It's a good vent outside the house. Okay, nice. Got some soft close cabinets. So you also have your pantry. Okay, welcome to the powder room. Okay. Now, actually, because there's a bedroom down here, if you have a bedroom down here, this is actually going to be a full bath, as you can see. So you have a shower right here. Okay, this is the door to the garage, but that is the sales office. Okay, it looks like you have this little closet right here. It's going to be the bedroom. So this is a full-size bed. I would say this room is going to be probably like 10 by 11. Any lights that you see up here, if you have 4 can lights, those are all optional. Usually there won't be any type of lighting inside a room. So if you want to add, I would at least add the pre-wire to the ceiling fan, which a lot of buyers do, just so you could put a ceiling fan and a light. Nice, we got the 8-foot doors. As you can tell, they're pretty tall doors. So we'll head up to the second floor. So you can see we got the fully upgraded rails. Otherwise, standard I think would be a pony wall. But yeah, the thing that's nice, why like I'd recommend upgrading out of the pony wall, it's just because it feels a lot more open when you're downstairs, and you could kind of see into your loft area. This option's a little bit more affordable, but if you wanted like the next upgrade above the pony wall, you could just do the white mission style railings. So this is what you see as soon as you walk in. You have the nice loft right there, and then you'll have your bedrooms right here. Okay, this is your laundry room. Nice, I believe that's optional, having the sink as well as these cabinets, as well as the washer and dryer. Now guys, if you are watching this video and you're interested in new construction communities and you're thinking about visiting a community for your very first time, you know, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and kind of help you out with the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because if you go by yourself, once you get there, the builder agent's going to ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Once they have that information, they're going to log you in their system with no representation. And at that point, it's going to be hard for a realtor to represent you. The only problem with that is the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests. So, you know, definitely important to get yourself some representation. Okay, so here we're gonna have your full bath. So you do have your dual sinks. Okay. Cool. Look, see, they got the gold pulls with the black faucets. Okay, little two-tone action there. Let me know what you think about that. Okay, shower tub, fiberglass, very easy to clean. And look how high these rods are. Nice. No medicine cabinet. Okay, this is going to be your other bedroom. All right, look at these views. So Lake Las Vegas, you're definitely going to see mountains like in any direction out here. It's very nice, feels very peaceful out here. All right, look at this loft. Very nice loft. Okay, so we got your linen closet up here. So we'll head to the primary bedroom. Okay guys, so this is gonna be a king size bed. Okay, again, that is optional. This large slider as well as the balcony itself. Okay, so yeah, nice balcony. Cool. Yeah, look at these views, guys. So as you can see right over here, this is going to be the road that you enter right when you get into like Lake Las Vegas. And then Oh no, I'm sorry. I think that is actually Lake Mead. That is a road to get into Lake Las Vegas. Okay. All right, check out this primary bedroom. Cool, and I know there's a couple of different things you could do structurally, as far as the bathroom configuration if you want to build from ground up. Okay, massive walk-in closet. Looks like you also have your attic access up there. All right, cool. All right, guys, cool. Let me know what you think of the Magnolia floor plan. Also, if you're curious about like new construction homes and you are looking for the best deal on new construction home, guys, definitely give me a call. You know, I specialize in like new construction. I have great relationships with a lot of these builders. So together we work together to make sure that you guys get the best deal possible. Okay, so again, my info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.